Hey there, stop whatever you're doing and listen carefully. Are you still juggling 5, 10, even 15 different tools every month? Paying $30 here, $50 there, $97 over there just to run your online business? You're spending more, you're doing more, and getting way less. And don't even get me started on the constant switching between apps that barely talk to each other. Meanwhile, AI is revolutionizing the world. Netflix is powered by AI, Spotify runs on AI, even your competitors are using AI to automate, scale, and dominate. So let me ask you, why are you still stuck with outdated tools, trying to build a 2025 level business with 2010 technology? We get it. Growing a business isn't easy. You need content. You need 4K AI images. You need designs, code, funnels, voiceovers, automation. But the more tools you stack, the more money you burn, and the slower your workflow becomes. That's why we built something radically different. Something built for creators, freelancers, agencies, marketers, and everyday entrepreneurs like you. Introducing SuperHero AI, the world's first AI app that gives you all the powers of a digital superhero and replaces all expensive AI tools with just one super dashboard. Create AI 4K images, voiceovers, chat with any file or website using AI, add studio quality effects, deploy AI assistants, write content, and unlock powerful tools like AI web chat, AI chat image, AI vision, AI article wizard, and more, all inside one app. Built with the most powerful AI models on Earth. GPT-40, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, 𝐷ALL-E 2, 𝐷ALL-E 3D HD. With SuperHero AI, you're not just getting access to another 4K AI image app, design tool, or content writer. You're unlocking the same kind of AI power used by top creators, SaaS brands, agencies, and global marketers. Create 4K AI images, and 8K images instantly. Generate ultra-realistic voiceovers. Write sales pages, emails, ads, blogs, and scripts with one click. Chat with PDFs, docs, and even URLs. Deploy smart chatbots and AI assistants for any niche. Use Alexa-style voice commands. Ask anything without typing. Generate social media captions, reels, hashtags, and more. Access ChatGPT Pro, Gemini Pro, DeepSeek V3, 𝐷ALL-E 3, and more. And the best part? It's all super simple. Even if you're brand new to AI, you can start creating like a pro in minutes. No editing, no recording, no design skills, just click, prompt, and publish. SuperHero AI is built for smart entrepreneurs, content creators, digital marketers, agencies and freelancers, innovators building SaaS, courses, and client services. Whether you want to build your own brand or sell done-for-you content, 4K AI images, sites, or code, SuperHero AI gives you everything you need to launch, grow, and scale without limits. And right now, during this special launch event, you can get lifetime access to SuperHero AI for a tiny one-time payment. No subscriptions, no upsells, no locked features, just unlimited AI power for life. That means no more paying $100 plus every month for multiple tools, no more bouncing between platforms or apps. Just one powerful dashboard that does it all, faster, better, and smarter. But don't wait, this is a limited time offer, and once the launch ends, SuperHero AI will switch to a monthly pricing model or disappear altogether. So ask yourself, do you want to keep paying more for less, or are you ready to finally upgrade to something that was built for your future? A tool that works with you, that gives you full control and turns your ideas into income faster than ever. It's time to break free from outdated, overpriced, underperforming tools. It's time to unleash your inner digital superhero. It's time for SuperHero AI. Click the button below to grab your lifetime license now. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk and infinite potential. SuperHero AI, built to create, powered by AI, designed for you. But please, don't close this page and think about it. This deal is vanishing fast. Once we hit capacity, the doors will close and the price will never be this low again. So if you're ready to work smarter, move faster, and finally build your digital empire like a true superhero, click below and let's get started. We'll see you inside.